I'm Andre Nader and we're here today at DNA Autosport Australia for another TracTive Suspension install. Now, whilst TracTive Suspension do offer plug-and-play kits for a variety of vehicles, this client of ours has actually opted for the highest level of control. So today, this BMW M240i will be receiving a standalone touring line kit. A standalone kit comes with a touchscreen display that gives the driver 5 independent modes that are tunable on the fly. This gives the driver the complete freedom to change the feel and comfort of the car at the touch of a button. As mentioned, this is a touring line kit, so the spring rates and the damping range has actually been tuned for more road-going vehicles. However, there are road and track kits that are more geared towards performance and track vehicles with many added benefits. Now, of course, the famous Evo didn't come from the factory equipped with electronic dampers, but we won't let that stop us. Today at DNA Autosport, we'll be installing a performance damper kit by TracTive Suspension. This standalone kit essentially equips the car with a touchscreen display, which gives the driver tunability through 5 independent modes, as well as what we call a TCU. The TCU is a G-force sensor and a control unit tied into one. It can read the forces generated by the attitude of the car and then make decisions based on these readings. So let's say Evo King begins its launch and the G-forces are increasing. The TCU will elect to stiffen the dampers in order to continue to drive the tyre into the tarmac. If it detects slip, the TCU can then choose to soften any individual corner of its choosing in an attempt to regain that traction. And the beauty of this, it all happens in 6 to 10 milliseconds.